In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your history or recently viewed files in Terabox. This is useful if you want to reopen files or videos you viewed earlier. Let's begin. Now, first of all, open your Terabox app on your phone or device and make sure you are logged in into your account. Now, as you may notice at the bottom, you have like sort of activity that are categorized into recent, starred, or offline. Now, hover to the section that says viewed. So this is going to be your history. All I have to do is look for the recently viewed, recently saved, recently uploaded, and recently scanned. Matter of fact, I have a recently uploaded file, and that's going to be our logo. Terabox may store recent previews, thumbnails, videos, or temporary viewing data to help the app load faster. Since we have already a recently uploaded file here, now you have multiple options here. The three dots icon on the top right corner gives you the ability to extract text, translate, signature, watermark to PDF, offline access, view on PC if you want, or start. Now at the bottom, you have an option to share to different social media platforms if you want, save to album, or beautify. It's all up to you. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to check your history on Terabox. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.